So, today we are drawing a cute but a very wise owl. Let's begin by drawing its head and pointy ears. Let's draw its heart-shaped body. The owl is sitting on a branch of tree, so we will draw a branch. I will draw its hands holding a big heart for my YouTube family. And its little feet too. Let's color the owl. Yay! Pink in body. Yellow in its face and feet. Black in eyes. Red in the heart. Dark yellow in nose. Brown on the branch. I will fill blue color in the sky to make the drawing more beautiful. I hope you liked my drawing. If yes, please hit the like button. And in case you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to enjoy more such videos.
Delicious.
Leaving you with a smile until next time.